The daily life we live, apparently so ordinary, can be a path to sanctity. It is not necessary to abandon one's place in the world in order to search for God, because all the paths of the earth can be the occasion for an encounter with Christ. Itong tugon ni Saint Jose Maria Escriva sa tawag ng buhay ordinaryong Kristiyano. Just to clarify mga ka-G, ordinary does not mean na walang ganap. It is the realization na kung nasan man tayo at anuman ang regular na environment or situation ang meron tayo, we always find God and serve Him there. Kagaya ng isinabuhay ni Saint Jose Maria Escriva, he left Madrid during the Spanish Civil War, studied law, and founded the Opus Dei, where all the members, like Saint Jose Maria, embrace the spirituality of finding God in everyday life. Now we find both lay and clergy members of the Opus Dei who are devoted in their witnessing to Christ. And this is the gospel enfleshed. By their fruits, you will know them. Ikaw, are you ready to find God in your daily life and live in His daily loving presence? G ka ba?